The remaining pieces are behind this. Can you believe that? Ta-da! Using a manual, and this is IKEA, not IKEA, DIY. So it is back. Oh my god, so well. The screws. Use this key. I don't know why is it called Allen key, or I don't know what is it called properly. So much to go. It seems easy, but it's tiring. This is also my exercise routine. To bump cycling. Ta-da! It's done. This is done. Second step 3 is putting the wheels. Where are the wheels? There you go. Clicker. It says click. Okay, clicker. Oh, yes. It didn't sound click, but it went inside. Ah, there you go. This sounded click. Ta-da! Wheels are done. Wheels on the bus go round and round. There you go. Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum. Okay, now this comes the stand. These are armrests. This should be up. This should be up. This should be down. They say only trained personnel may replace or repair seat height adjustment components with energy accumulators. What do we do now? Go here. There are 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it can go like this. This has to be perfectly fit, because if you keep it like this, the holes are not properly done. If you see that, you can see it. If you keep like this, the holes are not proper. So we have to make sure that or if it's rotated, all the holes are proper. Only then you can fix it. Otherwise, you will think that there is a manufacturing defect, but it is not. I believe IKEA will not do it. IKEA will not do it. Has never disappointed. The only disappointment is price. I'm semi-tightening first and then I tighten everything how it fits in. I'm using the AC remote to make my phone stand. So I cannot use the AC remote. So the seat is done. Oh, before that, let me put off the armrest also. So it goes along with that when I keep it up. Oh my god. Oh wow. This one also needs to be attached to this one. Can you do this? Oh, the hand hurts. Did I do it wrong? I think so. I think so, I did it wrong. Because this should come behind. Mistake. I didn't see this properly. So the issue is this should come behind, and this should come in the back. Which was so evident that I couldn't see. This is called overconfidence. Oh my god. Perfect. Oh my god, this is such a good chair. There are two more screws here. This needs to go onto this. Oh my god. So the same fix is bend it. Fix the top one here and then pull it up the seam. I don't know how does it work. Semi-tighten it. That's what they're asking. Just semi-tighten it and then pull it up. And that side I've semi-tightened it. Let's see if it'll come. Oh, nice. That's a good idea. And push it inside. Oh my god. Perfectly sat inside the screw hole. Wow, this is good. I have learned to fix an IKEA furniture. Yoo-hoo! All alone by myself. Last screw inside, and I'm tired. Exercise for today is done. One more thing I learned of this key is when you use this and tighten, you can tighten to a limit. But if you use this and tighten this side, it tightens more. And I saw this was loose. If I'm doing this with this, it's not moving. This is the last one, see? But if I use this and moving it, see? It's moving. It's not tighten. This and move it like this. Because there is no space. This is tight. It hurts. You need to give a support for this. A cushion for this. Oh my god. Kasijo, your chair is ready. Ta-da! Presenting you your orange chair that goes well with your room. And congratulations to me. I did it all by myself. I'm so proud of it that I could do it all by myself. Yay! Congratulations for your new chair. Ta-da! It almost matches.